What's up, everybody? Today I'll be doing a New York style cheesecake. The flavor and texture of this cheesecake is amazing. You'll be making this cheesecake over and over again. It is a delicious, delicious cheesecake recipe. First up, I'll be starting with the tools that you'll be needing. I have a KitchenAid fitted with a paddle attachment. You can also use a hand mixer, but it will take longer. I have a rubber spatula. I have a 10-inch cake pan. You can also use a 9-inch cake pan, which is lined with parchment and pan spray. That is very important. Next up, I have a larger pan, which I'll be placing the cheesecake pan in so it bakes in a water bath. And that is super important because you want that nice texture, even baking, and no cracks in your cheesecake. Next up, I'll be starting with the ingredients. I have cream cheese, which is at room temperature. I have eggs, which is also at room temperature, and that is very important to have a beautiful, creamy cheesecake. I have sour cream, sugar, cornstarch, lemon juice, and vanilla extract. And those are the basic ingredients. I'll also be doing a graham cracker crust, but I'll start with this first up, and we'll do that step by step. So now let's start with the mixing process. To my KitchenAid, I'll add my cream cheese first up. So now I'll mix this until it's softened. Then I'll add my sugar. So now I'll let the sugar and cream cheese come together, which will take about a minute or two on medium. So after about a minute or two, after my cream cheese and sugar has come together, I'll stop my machine. And you can see the sugar has melted into the cream cheese, which is what you want. I'll brush down the sides. And now I'll add my sour cream. Next, I'll add my lemon juice, my vanilla. And now I'll turn this back on the lowest setting and let that incorporate. To that, I'll add my cornstarch. And now on the lowest setting, after my cornstarch and all of my other ingredients have incorporated, I'll add 1 egg at a time. And as soon as one is incorporated, you'll add the next one. So after your third egg is incorporated, you'll shut the machine down and you'll brush the sides. And now you'll continue adding your eggs. So now I'll let this mix for a minute after I incorporated my last egg. And that's it. That's the final mixture of your cream cheese. As you can see, it's nice and smooth and everything is incorporated, and that's what you're looking for. So now I'll go to the next step. So next up, I'll be doing the graham cracker crust, which is very simple. I have 2 cups of grounded graham crackers. I have melted butter, and I also have sugar. I'll add my graham crackers to my bowl. I'll add the butter and sugar, and I'll take a spoon and just mix this together. And once you have that mixed together nicely, you'll add this to your cheesecake pan, and now you'll spread that out with your spoon. And after you spread that out with your spoon, you can take something with a flat surface and press that in. You want to compact your graham cracker crust. And this is what you're looking for, your graham crackers to be pressed in nice and even. To that, I'll add my mixture. And now what I'll do, which will be the final step, I'll add some hot water to the side of my pan. And you want enough so that it comes up about halfway. And now I'll place this in a 350-degree oven for about 1 hour and 15 to 1 hour and 20 minutes. So here is my cheesecake straight out of the oven. What I'll do is I'll let it sit in the water bath for about 30 minutes and let it come to room temperature. So now after my cheesecake has chilled at room temperature for 30 minutes, I'll pop it in the refrigerator, and this is the difficult part because it has to chill for at least 8 hours. So here it is, your beautiful New York style cheesecake. It is simply amazing. I promise you, you will love this recipe. So some very important tips is to let your cheesecake chill for at least 8 hours. It's a good idea to make your cheesecake a day in advance. So if you love this recipe, please give it a big thumbs up. Please drop some comments below and please subscribe. So again, thank you for watching.